If you have ever wondered where Salesforce is headed, how AI, automation, and low code are reshaping the way teams build, you are in the right place. Shiba, how do you see Salesforce Lightning evolving in the next 2 to 5 years?
Salesforce Lightning is undergoing a fundamental transformation, and you may never log into Lightning. The vision is it doesn't signal decline, but rather Lightning's evolution into an invisible conversational first platform. So, Salesforce is re engineering all of Salesforce to be Slack first, making CRM interactions as simple as talking in Slack rather than navigating traditional interfaces. So users will engage with Lightning's capability through dialogue instead of clicking through forms and pages.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. If you have ever wondered where Salesforce is headed, how AI, automation, and low code are reshaping the way teams build, you are in the right place. Today, we are joined by Shiba, who is a 21 times Salesforce certified solutions architect and 3-time Dreamforce speaker. Shiba has helped several organizations simplify complex Salesforce setups and assisted them to stay ahead of the curve. Shiba, you have become such a well-known voice in the Salesforce ecosystem, not just for your technical expertise, but for helping audience understand what's next. So Shiva, today I want to focus on the future, from how Lightning is evolving to how Einstein Analytics and AI are changing the way we work in Salesforce. Shiva, I'm really excited to have you here.
Thank you very much.
So Shiva, I know Salesforce is evolving faster than ever, with more automation, AI, and a real shift towards low code and no code development. A few years ago, I remember teams were still asking if Lightning was ready. Now it's the foundation everyone builds on. Shiba, how do you see Salesforce Lightning evolving in the next 2 to 5 years, especially with the rise of low code platforms? And what will that mean for how admins and developers work together?
Thanks for the question. And this year, I had a good fortune to attend Dreamforce 2025, and during this the keynote, Slack keynote, Parker Harris, who is the CTO at Salesforce, mentioned that Salesforce Lightning is undergoing a fundamental transformation, and you may never log into Lightning, and that is his goal. The vision it doesn't signal decline, but rather Lightning's evolution into an invisible conversational first platform. So Harris revealed that Salesforce is re-engineering all of Salesforce to be Slack first, making CRM interactions as simple as talking in Slack rather than navigating traditional interfaces. So sales, IT, service, Tableau, HR, and every cloud will adopt this conversational approach powered by Agentforce and natural language interactions. So users will engage with Lightning's capability through dialogue instead of clicking through forms and pages. So we as developers, we have been doing a lot of back-end work in Lightning, customizing pages through a form-like format, but now we can actually, through Slack, just give instructions like create an opportunity, update an opportunity, and it will be done through agents in Slack. So it's called low code, no code acceleration. So by 2025, 70% of commercial applications are likely to use low code or no code solutions, and Lightning is the epicenter of this shift. So key developments will include Agentforce Vibes. I don't know whether you've heard of it, but Agentforce Vibes is the new developer, what do you call? Brahmastra. So what it can do is it enables non-technical users, people who do not code or do not know LWC components, to build LWC components like Lightning Web Components, Apex Code, flows using natural language. And I was able to do that in Dreamforce, I created an app using Agentforce vibes within 5 minutes.
Oh,
So it
that's
was,
awesome.
yeah, and I got this T-shirt through that. It's called Agent Force Vibes. So enhanced flow builder now supports rich text inputs, time fields, and multi-object data shapes, allowing admins to automate complex processes without coding. So, citizen developers are being empowered through governance frameworks that balance innovation with security, which means that even these automated tools will be able to respect the security that we have configured in our orgs. So, technical foundation like the Lightning Web runtime represent the architectural future, delivering 25% faster load times than legacy frameworks. So, enhanced local development will real-time preview, will accelerate the development cycle, and there'll be migration from Aura to LWR, which is Lightning Web Runtime, which will become a strategic priority for organizations. So basically, it will be AI-powered intelligence. So Agentforce integration will fundamentally reshape Lightning by 2030. So within 4 years, 2026 to 2030, Agentforce integration will completely reshape Lightning. That's the prediction. So, agentic setup will allow administrators to configure environments through AI driven natural language commands. And this was actually showcased through many customer use cases like Williams Sonoma, Dell Technologies, and Engine at Dreamforce. So the 2030 vision is that Lightning will evolve into a conversational first, hyper personalized platform where traditional navigation becomes secondary. So Data Cloud and Einstein AI will deliver uniquely tailored experiences, while Lightning serves as the unified experience layer across all Salesforce clouds. So cross cloud orchestration will make Lightning the presentation layer for distributed data and processes. So the key challenges, though, for this would be that organizations will must navigate governance complexity, um, manage migration burdens from Classic to Lightning, Aura to LWR, and address AI transparency and trust concerns as artificial intelligence becomes more embedded. So the Salesforce Lightning's paradoxical future means that the interface becomes invisible precisely as it becomes more powerful. By 2030, Lightning will be faster, more intelligent, more integrated, functioning as an invisible enabler of work that happens wherever users already are, whether in Slack, through conversational agents, or embedded in external applications like through Experience Cloud side, etc.
Shiva, that's a very detailed perspective. Thanks for sharing that. I'm sure our listeners would appreciate that.